and a very warm welcome. In this video I will be demonstrating for you 5 very simple beginners level 2 salsa shines. So the shines are when we put footwork patterns together. So simple pieces of footwork that we've learnt individually and start to create longer patterns. However, with this being beginner level 2, I've kept these to 2 bars of footwork, and we will proceed each one with 1 mambo basic. All 5 of these are Suzy Qs plus something else. So a very, very simple introduction. If you're working through my syllabus, you are looking at beginners level 2, shines 1 to 5. Let me turn around and make a little start. First one is 2 Suzy Qs, left foot and right foot, and then we will follow that with some swing taps. So, left foot, 1, 2, 3. Right foot, 5, 6, 7. And swing taps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's pick up the speed and put a mambo basic at the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is beginners level 2, shine number 1. Let's look at number 2. Again, Suzy Q left foot and then right foot, and then we will follow with crossing side basics. So let's start with the Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Out and cross. Out and cross. Let's put the mambo basic in and pick up the speed a little bit. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. That is beginners level 2, shine number 2. Let's move on to number 3. Again, Suzy Qs, left foot and right foot. We will then do a right turn. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, left, right, left, and back together. Okay, let's put the mambo basic in. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. That was beginners level 2, shine number 3, which was Suzy Qs, followed by a right turn. Let's look at number 4. Again, the 2 Suzy Qs, this time followed by the left turn. Let's start with the mambo basic this time. Let's put that in as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Notice when I'm doing the left turn, I'm walking the left turn around. So in our beginner's salsa, we teach a slightly slower version, and then as we move up into improvers, we actually change that so that you have another option, but we haven't got to that yet. Okay, so look at that left turn again. It's in our footwork syllabus, it's in our basic salsa beginners level 2 classes. I rock forwards on the left, rock and replace on my right. I open 90 degrees on wide down the line. I then take my right foot and look at the back of the room. I turn around, replace the weight and head forwards. Let me just come forwards a little bit on the camera here. So this is shine number 4, beginners level 2 shine number 4, the basic, the mambo, the 2 Suzy Qs and the left turn. Here we go, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's move on to shine number 5. Okay, so this is the last one. Beginners level 2, shine number 5, again Suzy Qs. We'll have the Mambo Basic, the 2 Suzy Qs, and then we will finish it with 4 core walk steps forwards. So this, because we're dancing on 1, LA style, is going to be on the 1, the 3, the 5 and the 7. So the core walks are 1, 3, 5, 7. Now they're slow. We're going every other beat. So I'm going ball, heel in a little tightrope. Okay? So I'm crossing in front. Ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. And you can put as much sway and sort of swagger in as you want to, depending on the speed of the music. Okay, let's do that. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, walk, 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 walk. Don't forget, if you don't have much space, you can take those walks in a different direction or start a little bit further at the back of the space or whatever you can do given the dancing at home. So that was number 5, beginners level 2, shine number 5, again Suzy Q based. So we're going to go and we're going to dance all 5 of them now without music. I'm going to call them out as we go along. Here we go. Mambo first. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, swing taps now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 5, last 1. 1, 2, 3, Suzy Qs. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Out and side, out and side. Basic. Let's do 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Shine number 3. Suzy Qs. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 2, 3, and 5, 6. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6 again. 1, 2, 3. Shine number 4. Suzy Qs. Then the left turn. Or 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Basic once again. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Qs. 1, 2, 3. 4 walks forwards. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic 2, 3. Regain your space. Okay guys, so I hope that's been okay for you. I'm actually going to dance it with music now, and because this video is going both in my website and on YouTube, I am using a YouTube friendly salsa track. Okay, let me just get that on for us. Mambo's first. 2 more. Suzy Q, shine 1. Swing taps. Basics. 1 more. Suzy Qs. Shine number 2, side cross. Basics. 2 more. Shine number 3, Suzy Qs. Right turn. Basics for 3. Suzy Qs. Shine number 4. Left turn. Basics for 3. Shine number 5. Suzy Qs in the walks. Maybe styling in there if you feel like it. From the top, Suzy Qs. Swing taps. Suzy Qs. Crossing. Qs, right turn. Suzy Qs, left turn. Suzy Qs, walking. Let me turn that off. Okay guys, so that has been beginners level 2 in my syllabus, shines 1 to 5. We have lots and lots and lots of them. So I have a massive list. Shines number 1 to 5, all based on Suzy Qs and all based on just 2 bars. Again, not remembering too much because we are at a beginners level 2. So 2 bars, and then you can mix and match them as much as you wish. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are on YouTube, it would be great if you would like and subscribe. And if you're already in my website and watching this on my video library, then thank you ever so much. And I will see you again in another video shortly. Bye-bye.